Ain't no.
We should probably
Oh
move.
heck nah. Nah, there's someone. Oh, bye, Chrissy. Oh,
Oh.
cactus. Ow. Let me free.
It would have been funnier if you fell into another cactus. Oh, actually, this is better.
This is
Go
not
back
better.
here.
This is worse. This is much worse. Bro, what is this tornado? It's got targeting, man. It's got its aimbot.
It wants you. It wants your best
Apparently.
friends.
Chrissy,
Hey, can
I
I get
need
some
some
help?
help.
Where are you, Fridge?
Right here, help me.
Hey. I see. The same thing happened to both of us.